a bit of self-talk tonight. Having a chat with our human counterparts is beautiful. It is pleasurable. It is totally enjoyable. But always we have these elements that always come with dissonance. It is these dissonant elements that we are looking for, because they are the ones that need our help even more. We are not seeking for understanding in the society or in the community. We are just seeking for everyone's individual happiness. To bring everyone to the realization that happiness is key to their own evolution. We owe it to them to lower our understanding completely to their perception of our reality. Only once we can achieve that can we have a true and inclusive conversation with such. As humans, our biggest issue is compulsive behavior. In compulsive behavior, you just act. You don't consider the outcome of your actions. We are still playing the unconscious game as humans. But the food for adults can only be chewed by adults, and it ceases to become milk. So we move to the next stage of our human evolution. Now we are entering 5D. Now we come back to light. We bring everything to life. We change perceptions. We accept acknowledgement. And we stay even truer to our truth. Teach, share, guide, love. That is who we are. Enjoy the vibrancy of the human experience, away from the gloominess of the past. We are living a new life. We are becoming a new you. The sins are coming up. Okay? Let's grab our energies back and bring it into this human reality. Because wherever we are, the only ones who are there are us. And only us can recreate the magic we had when we started everything. So now we'll go and meet my friend Saragari. And then we'll transmute the energies back into our present reality and amplify it. We are going to the Coliseum. What a beautiful arena. Look at that. Okay. This is the Coliseum. See? Can you admire the beauty from the night? Look at that. This is the temple. This is where life happens. And as always, follow the light. Only the light. Be the light. Manifesting the fifth dimension of human reality. Enjoy love and abundance from the kingdom of the gurus, where resilience is always rewarded, where the greatest sacrifices of lives are incarnated for memories to be repeated. Always. Enjoy the magnificence of the ships. Enjoy the preservation of legacy, of reality. Admire reality for what it is. Accept, appreciate, and honor everyone for who they are. And always remember to glorify the greats for their works in preserving cultures, heritages, realities, so that everyone can come and enjoy and benefit at some point in their own evolution. Welcome to Saragari, the fifth dimension of human reality. Enjoy another expression of love for creation, innovation, and beautification of our life. I love you. Welcome to beauty. Welcome to the answers to all your questions. Welcome to solutions to your problems. Welcome to life without worries. In a life without worry, there is one thing you must enjoy. You must enjoy creating your own reality. Because if you cannot create, life goes on. Life doesn't stop. Life cannot stop. So please, do not be lazy. Your mind is bubbly with ideas. Put those ideas to place. Make them match. See for what it is. Let your ideas guide you. Don't judge your ideas. You just do as you are guided to. And as such, we enter this vibrancy powerfully, majestically, as supreme beings living this human reality. We are us. We are just being us. Our passion is sharing, because the best form of caring is sharing. So just keep sharing. Not all will understand caring is sharing, but most will marvel at why you care so much. That's simply because they don't feel worthy of being cared for. They value you too high. But just show them caring is actually the value, the most little of values. And then teach them from there that caring is what will take you everywhere. Be grateful, be grateful. Live life, it is your life. Be happy, it is your happiness. Smile, it is your face. You know, you want to be selfish about yourself, yet prone to love others. Just be selfish fully. Okay, be selfish fully. Do not embrace this reality. Okay, the wisest women on earth have managed to preserve their sexual organs and abandon their children. What is that? You know, are you selfish? Or you are lost? Okay, let's stay afloat. Let's stay afloat. Life is for those who want to be alive, you know. And to be alive is simple. So easy. Be alive. Okay? Don't be alive in your head. Your mind is not the only part of your body that functions. Every other part functions. The mind is the lazy part of the body. Okay? Because it only produces ideas and then asks you to work to achieve them. So if you are not in sync with your mind, then you are confused. Okay? So you quit from your confusion. You quit from your laziness. You quit from your lethargy. Okay? You have lots of ideas that are defined in your head. Go grab them. Okay? Go grab them. Because if you do not, well, we understand why you are still not experiencing and enjoying this human reality as much as the creators do. So will you please not blame us for creating, and rather join us in celebrating creation? And if not joining us, at least celebrate yourself as creation. Celebrate yourself as manifestor of reality. You know, in everything you owe yourself a celebration. If you are complaining, then you are ungrateful against yourself. Okay? You are ungrateful to self because you are worth so much more praises than whatever you think of yourself. You know, you are a magnificent temple, a Pandora box, you know, a provider of creators and co-creators of this reality, and yet you fathom a complaint. Well, such is life. But again, you will get there. We are designed to be happy. We just have to be reminded constantly, 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 and constantly. And eventually, we will all remember that happiness is our design, it's our construct, you know. And only when we are happy do we truly enjoy the rightful experience of this human reality. The beautification of this life. I love you. I so love you. I can only love you. I am designed to love you. And loving you is actually the best thing that ever happened to me. You know. Because lost within my own self, I have been wondering, what is this love all about? But again, such is love. Love is being human. Love is experiencing life. Love is meeting different people, sharing your own joys, sharing your fears, sharing your struggles, you know. Only that way do you experience love. Do you show love and do you enjoy love for what love is? Right. Where are we? Yes. Okay. A beautiful good evening to my family. Thank you all for our collective sacrifices in being here. Hi. Where is this place that these children pass here? Okay, got you. Oh. Welcome back to human reality. Thank you, Lord, for your guidance. Thank you for your directions. Thank you for your directives. Thank you for the love and care you place in directing each and every one of us. Thank you for magnifying us with your presence. Thank you for making this reality what you always designed it to be. And thank you for using us as your tools to manifest the perfection of your dreams and desires into physicality. We love to love because we learn from the love you love us. And we love to share because your love is the only fuel that can guide us to the best version of ourselves and the attainment of everything this earth is designed to achieve. Come to the realization of who you are, you too, and become who you are designed to be, and make this place the beauty you have in your dreams, because only by aligning your actions and your thoughts can you truly manifest your reality to your own convenience. Enjoy your life. Wishing you a beautiful entry into our 5D reality.